name of the item, HS4, existing duties, separately, all items, and then you propose duty.
Thank you. I just want to make one observation, is that, see, from JICA farm, that from this farm, you are getting finance, soft loan for some equipment and only. But if you consider the factory as a whole, there are a lot of other items, more expensive items. How do you get those finance? One lovely combination can be the concept of green building. Maybe building is not financed here, but there are other schemes under the Bangladesh Central Bank scheme. We are doing that. We can combine green building along with JICA supported equipment, so that there will be a very, what I say, very helpful combination. And we have to do it. Otherwise, there will be a challenge for us also to take security for on all assets. It will be very difficult. So I cannot take security only for the lift. It's not possible. So when other bankers or financiers might not allow that either. So how to do that, and how to, in case of syndication, and there are representatives from financial institutions and banks, we can again sit together and discuss to make the project as a whole financiable. Otherwise, for the one equipment, I'm afraid people might not come. Thank you.
Nazmul in his presentation that apart from this financing window, there is a window from the central bank also to finance the green product, and particularly for the energy efficiency product, where we try to incorporate the major energy consuming equipments in the list, and that was a committee, and all the technical people supported that committee, and we forwarded that our recommendation to the central bank. Hopefully that very shortly that will also going to be start to finance the energy efficient products from the central bank also. So what CEO BIFFL said, that you can think like that also, the combining the two loan program and finance the whole projects. Thank you very much. Now the tea break, I think. So all of you are invited to join the tea break. Thank you very much. And we will be assembled here.
Extra provision for training also.
And thanks to this balcon, named balloon controller, thanks to these, we can achieve energy reduction. And this is our evidence of our machine performance of Q-Pro. We have many comparison tests in all over the world. Total 28 customers and 35 studies in 6 countries. And this is average figure of those old tests. This is the comparison with one of our competitor. And this is comparison with one of another our competitors. So we checked 4 points: production, power consumption, it means electricity, and air consumption, and yarn waste. For all 4 points, our machine Q-Pro can get better result compared to our competitors' machines. Next is air jet spinning for Vortex. Now our machine model name is 870. Again, this is ring spinning process from raw material to yarn. Blowing, carding, combing or not, and drawing, lobbing, spinning, and winding. This is ring spinning process. And in case of us, vortex, these lobbing, lower side, from sliver, lobbing, spinning, winding, these three processes can be in one machine, vortex spinning. So these three processes in vortex, it means from sliver to yarn. In case of vortex, you can make directly from sliver to yarn. And then this is project comparison. Left side is vortex, right is clear, but in case of vortex, less heaviness this is much superior than open end ending spin. And then this is comparison picture for yarn, knit fabric. Left side again vortex. Compared to ring or open end, vortex can achieve great resistance to peeling. So how is final product? This is one example of our vortex product, final product. The one of UK football brand named Ambro. They adapt our vortex.
Time for question and answer session. If you have any question, please raise your hand.
Questions. After this seminar, I will be there outside, or from tomorrow, 4 days, I will be in DTG, Dhaka exhibition. So please visit our booth. Thank you very much.
Here's today's agenda. First, I'd like to give an introduction of our company, then explain, give you the details of our vertical roller mill, and compare ball mills with vertical roller mill.
Okay, my name is Mahu Walo. Actually, my core business, I have two questions, very simple. Number one, we saw the comparison with the ball mill and vertical mill. But there is a new generation now also, the roller press, that also is not mentioned here, which is very important. And we know Ube is one of the best company in the world in terms of technology and their experience. But we saw from the picture of this. Thank you.
I'd like to answer that question in the afternoon meeting. So if you could please come visit us. We are sitting over there. So please ask us during the meeting. Thank you.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. I am Tariq of Micro Manufacturing Company. We are mainly a compressor manufacturer for industrial use, and we are known as Micom. Our brand is Micom. Here is our company overview. Our capital is 1 billion yen, and around 4,000 people are working over the world. And we have 40% shares on the industrial refrigeration compressor over the world.
South Asian countries. Today, taking this opportunity, I would like to introduce IHI's turbo air compressors.
And based on Ehime Prefecture and established 1959, and our employee is 4,400 people.
And for people on the move, we move raw data so that it becomes information for smoother running, more efficient cities. Every day, our world asks for more reliable power. But our resources are limited. That's why we make better use of what's around us, giving clean, sustainable energies a solid chance in the future. So while we help industry and productivity, we never forget what's at the end of the day. Not everyone knows us, and fewer may see us, but we are the global specialists in energy management and automation. We are electric, and in everything we do, we make sure that even while you're asleep,
because energy is human base of human life, and our technology makes sure your energy safe, reliable, efficient, connected, and sustainable.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. First of all, I would like to thank SREDA and JICA to open these kinds of workshop and to encourage the industrialists to use their efficient products, not only the lightings. But I would like to say something about the lightings issues, which can be savings a lot of electricity. You know that out of the total lighting consumption, almost the 30% is using. Our SREDA member, Mr. Zubair, already have told us that already most of the cases, the lighting is one of the main parts which is consuming the lights is more. So I'm just giving some of the slides of our industry. But this industry is based on basically in Bangladesh, and this industry is not totally 100% manufacturing based. The semi-modules, they are making it from another countries, but with their own specifications, and they are trying to give the maximum supports based on these lighting solutions. Just before going through my slides, I just look after the JICA. Already they have recommended some informations which has to be compiled, that if any LED users or LED manufacturers would like to go through on these kinds of financial process, they must have to be the patent certificates. But as you know, as in Bangladesh, and the industry of the LED is just preliminary going on, and as preliminary is going to be established. So it would be a very encouraging for those kinds of industry who is coming up to manufacturing the LED. If those kinds of industry, from where they are getting the mother components, if the patent certificates have with that mother components, and those industry or assembler also will be the considered, or also can be the considered under these kinds of scheme which already have JICA been proposed. Just this is the company profile of our Energy Plus Electric and Electronics Private Limited. I think all of you already have in your hands in our speech. So I will not go through all of these issues. I'll just focus some of the issues. This is the company profile of our company. The vision and the mission, you know, every company is must be having the vision and mission. So the Energy Plus Electric and Electronics Private Limited also having a vision and the mission of the companies. Just here, as a lighting, so we are focusing on the lightings. Everybody knows very well that LED is one of the major lighting products nowadays in the world, so which is saving the much more electricity. So here in the government sectors in our country is is almost the maximum power. So we are just giving some information over here, like the total governments is we're having is 4,296. You can have see the aggregated energy consumption, and contribution to GDP for other these governments is almost 13%. Contribution to export for these governments is almost 81%, and total employment is almost 4 million people on this sector. And out of that, 80 to 90% are female. Projects, the parameter analysis is based on illumination level, efficacy, CCT, CRI, and power efficiency. The driver type, standard specification of LED which is used in that pilot projects already been shown here. Already with my speech papers, all of you are in your hands. I think you can have go through on this. If you have further any kinds of questions, we'll be giving the answers later. Thank you. So here is that pilot project based data. We just try to have shown that here number of the lights is 4,000 pieces. Normal average current hours we have used in 16 hours. Normal operating per day 626. consumption T8 tube light 36 watts. The base data already you have shown here, and if we get these kinds of funds from any commercial, the financial institutes, what would be the interest rate, that also would have showing over here. But at the same time, as you know, the JICA is giving here is more facilities is than the interest rate than this one. So the cost of these pilot projects automatically also will be coming down if we just go through with the JICA's finance and JICA's funds. Here's your base data analysis. We already have consumption calculated the fluorescent tube with magnetic ballast. You can have C, the last one, electricity bill per month is coming is around 5,39,136 taka by using 400 pieces tube lights with magnetic ballast and fluorescent tubes. Energy consumption calculated with LED tubes is the billing will be coming around 2,69,568 taka. So finally, monthly savings is coming is around 2,70,000 taka per month. So finally, we have gone through the four numbers: required investments and loan amortization calculation, and you can have C. Finally the point of E. The payback period is only 15 months if we just have calculate the 9% interest. So if we just can go through the interest based on the JICA's proposal and JICA's funds, so this payback period also will be coming down. Just here, once again, we are trying to show up our industry's interior inside, where we are trying to give up the maximum qualities and the qualities products, and we're trying to achieve our customers' requirements, and also we're capable to comply with the buyer's compliance. So various kinds of products also is in here. Already all of you have passed out these kinds of catalogs, brochures and everything on. Moreover, any kinds of information is required, please meet with our booths. We are being outside for Energy Bill Plus on behalf of Energy Plus, Electric and Electronics Private Limited. This is Andy Shazover. Once again, would like to thank all of you, and thanks to attention for this listening. Thank you all.
As of now, Modern Erection will present a presentation on waste heat recovery.
Good afternoon, everybody. So my name is Watanabe, Niigata Power Systems. I would like to introduce Niigata High Efficiency Engine. So this is one of the solutions reducing the energy. At first, we Niigata is established already past 100 years ago. So we Niigata is first on design diesel engine developer.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. I'm a member of gas turbine marketing team from Kawasaki Heavy Industries. First, it is my great pleasure to be here at this seminar with you in Bangladesh. From now on, I'd like to introduce our energy solution products.
To extend my deepest thanks to JICA and their first appointed consultant team led by Dr. Yoshida for providing all our support to prepare our energy efficiency master plan for 2030. According to the energy efficiency master plan, we have set a target to save 50% energy by 2020 and 20% energy by 2030. That means we have to save about 3,600 megawatt energy by 2020, because at that time our projected generation would be 24,000 megawatt. It has been noticed that there are huge potential of energy efficiency and conservation in industry. To inquire to any of the SREDA staffs for further information on the project, the JICA consultant team.
Anytime soon. And after lunch, there will be a business networking session. Thank you all for participating in this valuable event.
থাকবেন থাকবেন জমজমা Thank you. जी जी
So it will be 60% your system efficiency. Some money. This is like suppose you have 1 megawatt. This will be equal
together